Hello everyone, today we're going to have a look at the Russell Hobbs 65 litre fridge. So this fridge is what's called a tabletop fridge, but it's perfectly suited to anyone converting a van into a camper van or building an RV. A reason for that is the fridge is powered by 240 volts, however it's very low power and you can quite easily use an inverter in your camper build to power this fridge without any difficulties. Quite compact for a fridge, but equally it's quite spacious inside. So the height is 630mm, the width is 445mm, and the depth front to back is 510mm. So inside the fridge you've got two good size shelves, a little tray that comes with it, and a little freezer box. Ideal for freezing your cool box packs. And the temperature can be adjusted to save even more power. Perfect if you're running from 12 volts through an inverter. We let the fridge settle for a few hours, then plugged it in, tested it, and it really did get nice and cold. So if you want to buy one of these fridges from Amazon, we'll drop a link below that you can click and go straight to the item. You can see from the screenshot that the fridge has a very good customer rating. As always guys, if you like this kind of video, please give us a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so we can get some more videos out to you. Take care guys, love you loads.